Imagine a world where artificial intelligence leads the charge in defense strategy, cutting-edge robots, autonomous drones, and smart defense systems safeguarding nations. Well, it's not a scene from a sci-fi movie. South Korea is making this vision a reality as we speak. Welcome to the South Korea AI Summit, where global leaders and defense experts are gathering to create a bold new blueprint for the future of military technology. This summit is all about one thing: how AI can transform the battlefield, and South Korea is ready to lead the charge. South Korea, one of the most tech-savvy nations on the planet, is no stranger to innovation. From dominating the electronics market to pioneering smart cities, they've consistently pushed boundaries. Now they're setting their sights on defense with a groundbreaking plan to integrate artificial intelligence into military operations. So how exactly will AI be used? But before discussing this, please subscribe our channel for more AI-related videos. Think about it. AI-controlled surveillance drones patrolling borders 24/7, detecting threats before they even get close. AI-powered robots assisting troops in dangerous operations, reducing human risk, and even predictive algorithms that help military leaders make smarter decisions on the battlefield. With AI at the helm, there are massive benefits: faster decision-making, more accurate threat detection, and better coordination in missions. In fact, AI could completely reshape the future of warfare by reducing human casualties and minimizing the chaos of modern combat. But with this rapid advancement comes important questions. Will AI be used responsibly? What are the ethical implications of autonomous weapons making life or death decisions? At this summit, these tough questions are being addressed head-on, as world leaders debate how to balance cutting-edge technology with human oversight. South Korea's defense officials are highlighting one key principle: AI should enhance, not replace, human judgment. Their blueprint is clear: use AI as a powerful tool, but always keep humans in control of the ultimate decisions. In the next few years, South Korea plans to roll out AI-powered systems across its military, making them one of the most advanced defense forces in the world. They aim to leverage AI not just in combat, but also in cyber defense, intelligence gathering, and logistics. And it doesn't stop there. This blueprint has the potential to spark a global shift, with other nations closely watching how AI can give them a competitive edge in defense. It's not just about weapons, it's about strategy, agility, and using the latest tech to ensure peace and security. South Korea's AI Summit marks the beginning of a new era in defense technology, one where human intelligence and artificial intelligence join forces to protect and serve. The future is here, and it's time to embrace the power of AI on the battlefield. The question is, are we ready for this transformation? Stay tuned as the world watches South Korea's bold steps toward a smarter, safer future. What do you think? Is AI the key to a stronger military, or should we be cautious about its rise? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more groundbreaking